exciting because I have a full-time job now and the office is closed, we're all working from home, and I obviously can't really show you anything to do with that. There are loads of things that I want to get done today outside of work, so I'm sure it won't be a boring day. I'm having technology problems. This is the bane of my life. Come on, please work, please work. It's about 5 to 9 and I'm going to log in for today to start my work, and I'm gonna get changed in my pajamas because this is not productive. No one wants to see this on the end of a Zoom call, do they? Don't judge my dressing gown, guys, it's freezing. I just made a little snack for myself. I have some toast, cream cheese, smoked salmon and tomatoes on top, and I might have some crisps with this as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing my painting and then get back to work soon. It's been a lovely day at work today. Everything is like going really well and it's a good day. It's a good day. I'm now on my lunch break and I'm gonna go head off to the post office now, get that done. It's such a beautiful day outside as well. I really wanna get the outside. Ooh. Oh, that one's really nice.
So I'm just having a little meeting with my virtual assistant here. Kate helps me.
Guys, I am free. My working day is done. I'm so happy. I'm literally over it. I just want to chill. But I am gonna force myself to do a workout because I haven't done one of them in like a week or something, and I was having like a fairly good rep with it before that, so no excuses tonight. I'm gonna do it, and if I wasn't filming this video I definitely wouldn't do it, so thank you for being the motivation that I need. Also, super exciting stuff was happening on my last like 10 minutes at work. My friend's jewelry brand has just launched, so you guys can go and shop her necklaces. I'll plug her on screen now. We did like the sickest shoot together. The pictures turned out really cool. Maybe I'll put a couple on screen here, so I hope you guys will go and support one of my best friends and her jewelry business. I'm sure there's something for everyone, and definitely follow the Instagram because it's going to be a whole aesthetic and a half for you guys to follow. So yes, I'm gonna go and do a workout, but yeah.
Yeah, change the bins on Mexican night. Changing the bins on Mexican night. Changing the bins. That's all your notice is.